7. Talk too early. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. I'm talking to you.
Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Oh, yes. So before I do that, though, first things first. Are you going to take it off slowly or you will rush yourself?
Well,
oh, yes. Video this you can see, by the way, as we stream it.
Okay.
She has taken it off. Doc, right?
Alex, ngiyaphila, right?
Oh, yes. Yeah. In fact, the topic is
Yes.
before I even give you a platform.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Except not that slow. It will be like...
Yeah, well, you know, some women will take their time. Yes. It happens. How to tell if it's true love, no, it's lust. It happens. I'm a relationship amaningi uthola ukuthi aqale kanjalo. As ukuthi take it off, then suspense, and then from there kulidele something igcina isiba enye into. Yes, can that be dangerous? Are you from that kind of relationship or ukuyona or the observations okusuke wayibona kumuntu mhlawumbe oseke wa confide kuwena ekutheni do you know what actually akuzange kuqale kuyi story sokuthi the guy was hitting on me or you had interest but you found ukuthi something attractive then kwaqala kuhalelana.
Yes.
And gcina usuconfuse ukuthi kahle hle foundation yalento kwakuyini kwakuthanda kwangempela yini. So that's our topic namhlanje 0315373000 Twitter at Alex Mtiani, on Facebook Indaba with Alex. Welcome Doc on this last Thursday.
I am so welcomed.
Okay, so in this case when
welcome kahle phela ngithengena umfundi wangivulela umnyango, you know, wangingenisa ngangena, so I feel very welcome.
So it's off as we speak. Yes, good Doc. Yes. Are you well?
Ngiyaphila Mthiyani, uyaphila now?
No kumnandi.
Nezithandwa zethu futhi
number 1. All right. So mhlawumbe siqala lapho nje dokotela kuthina abantu abaningi usually they confuse ilust with uthando and wathola kwawena you are not aware ukuthi le problem okuyona is lust wena mnikazi wale relationship oyithola is situationship. So mhlambe before singene lapho ekutheni what are the common causes alokho we know ama broken relationships amaningi othola ukuthi ilento. The difference between ukuhalela umuntu nokumthanda is not something ekuyicombo yokuthi vele I'll be attracted to you ngenxa yezinto ezithile but ungakwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi ke lokho ama signs elast ngala inkanuko then uthando uthanda ngoba kunokukhanuka phakathi. Yes, inkanuko, your favorite term. Take us through Doc.
Mthiyane, I think you know ukuhlukanisa kakhulukazi ekuqaleni can be very difficult. You know, ngoba number 1 kokubili kumnandi kakhulu, they both feel so good, but also uma i-relationship isaqala it's very common ukuthi ungazi ukuthi lento kuyinkanuko yini or kuuthando. Now it's going to be very important ukuthi you know uma sihlukanisa ukuthi yini umehluko ngoba njengoba ngisho nje ekuqaleni kunalo, so isikhathi is one of the things that's going to tell you ukuthi lokhu bokuthando kuyinkanuko yini ngoba uthando's got staying power, you know, compared to into enkanuko. And mhlawumbe if ngizoyisho nje ukuthi yini inkanuko umuntu uzoliza igama yini inkanuko or last, you know, umuntu uma unenkanuko yakhe usuke umhalela, usuke nokuthi attracted kuyena or uyakhungeka kuye, kodwa le nto i-physical ngendlela abukeka ngayo, status ayisona, unani, umsakazi ovelele, you know, unemali njalo, so kunento ngaye e-physical okuyona, you know, ehehayo. kodwa umuntu othola ukuthi kunothando kuyena yes ikhona le nto ephysical engaphandle uyikona ukuthi iyakuheha kodwa kugcina sekunento yothando lo ukuba nozwelo umuntu omthandayo ugcina sunozwelo lakhe kanti la okuwukuthi kuyinkanuko nje ngempela kuyikona ile nto ifunayo whether ucansi or in kodwa kakhulukazi uma sikhuluma ngelast sikhuluma ngocansi so kuyikona lokukhalela ucansi.
Okay, so kwenzeke uthola ukuthi ke ngicina senilele.
Yeah.
And uthola ukuthi vele still uthanda lokho, but even the sex part is good. Ubuyela yona. That's possible.
Of course. Well, kakhulu. Phela mtheni nje wathi ngishile eqaleni ikakhulukazi uthando lenkanuko or ubudlelwano nenkanuko kakhulukazi ucansi liyavutha kakhulu ngoba enye into endonsayo ikona le nto ukuthi niyamukelana ngemizwa and niyazwana nocansi lwenu futhi liyazana noma ulenza futhi awuna ndawo nokuthi uzocabanga negcineni it's just really about ukuthi uzenjoy and that's it.
All right, sikhuluma ngalokho ke namhlanje sikhuluma la ngesituation oyithola ukuthi uthando lwenu or a relationship okuyona be based on inkanuko nokhalelana so okuningi sekuza kamuva kusukela lapho ekutheni kahlehle from the beginning kwakuyileyo nto yothando. So dokotela ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi uthando has a staying power. Here's a question kadokotela. How can one make it last work kwi favor yabo bengikhalela ngakuthola but now sengidevelop ama feelings and to talk to the feeling iba mutual because it's the longer we have lento yethu in inverted commas but it turns now into real affection.
Into the real thing.
Yep.
Look, vele you know Mthiyane empeleni enyakeni okuqala nithandana nomuntu isikhathi esiningi lapho kusuka ikona ukufundana nenkanuko. Uyabona but the longer after 1 year for instance usuke lo muntu usumazi ukuthi okay uyasuza uyabhodla uqoqa amazinyo or whatever and umukele unjalo now umuntu umthanda Mthiyane number 1 awusabi ukuthi umtshele into ezomakha kanti lo munye noma kuukuthi uyamazi ukuthi uyinto ongayifuni you know njengoba ngisho mhlawumbe uyaphuza mhlawumbe uyabhodla mhlawumbe udlula nxafuzela or mhlawumbe uzele umuntu wesifazana unezingane uyazi ufuna umuntu onezingane kunezinto zazi ukuthi awusifuni kodwa uyazibekezelela nje ngoba you going with the flow kusamnandi ku relationship njalo njalo so awekho lama values owafakayo obokade ungafaka kumuntu wakho uyaphuza unandaba ngoba vele ngokwakho you are just having fun but also at the same time nawe uma kuukuthi kakhulukazi labo besifazana uthola ukuthi unayo always kufanele ube muhle ngoba uyazi deep down even if akushokokanga but deep down uyazi ukuthi it's the way obukeka ngayo okuyona attractive uthi noma eqhamuka ugijima uyofaka imakeup you know meqhamuka ugijima uyofaka imakeup oh
okay.
You know
I'll explain it. Sure.
Or njalo kumele engakuboni nje uzigqoke lo bhaca ufunela kuhlale njalo kubona ngathi umuhle because uyazi nawe ukuthi empeleni lo muntu uthanda kakhulu indlela obukeka ngayo more than indlela oyiyo.
All right, give us a call ke sifuna ukuzwa story sakho ba anonymous mawuthanda kulolu hlelo. The number is 0315373000. I'm looking for someone ozothi yes kuqale kuhalelana but now we've changed it and it works. And I also have someone ozothi ngiyafisa ukuthola umuntu ozothi ya no leyo nto ngayibona yaqala ilezinto ezisho dokotela and ngempela ayizange sebenze le relationship. So kunezimo la dokotela ezenzekayo umuntu olalele uzothi njengamanje kunomuntu engiattracted kuyena ngiyamthanda but manje usexa kwalezinto ezishoyo zokuthi ifeke kwamcabanga mhlambe people yavuka or sizothi ngebamanzi so uzocabanga ukuthi sithi ku wrong ukuthi when you are attracted to umuntu ebese usocabanga ezocansi that is still part of a package.
Yebo. Now look Mthiyane with everyone eqaleni uma kune attraction automatically mhlambe ngisho ngescience uma umuntu uattracted kuyena umzimba wakho kunama hormones thizena wakhiphayo dopamine no oxytocin you know ama hormones akwenza ukuthi wena munaye u feel good ama hormones awenza ukuthi u feel close nakuyena manje lo ma hormones uma ese kuyiwona amaningi engqondweni yakho uyakuyaphela ukuthi ucabanga ireason ingqondo yakho idalile ukuthi icabanga ireason lokhu right lokhu wrong but once lo ma hormones anyuka kakhulu engqondweni yakho iyaphela ireasoning that's why ukuthi umuntu ungaba attracted kuyena uthole sukhipha ipaint or whatever senilele because into ereasoning ukuthi awubengamele ngishadile njani njani ngani so akusekho ngoba I reasoning part ye brain ayisasebenzi but now what loma hormones ayenza anyusa ama sex hormones ngakuwena ugcine suba nalenkanuko yocansi nozwele lokufuna ukulala naye.
All right, 0315373000 sithatha kama calls zakho manje.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
Yes, what's in talk? Okay, it's what 15 minutes after 7, so we started 15 minutes ago and udokotela only realized now ukuthi akayifakile protection, so all this time uvele wabanjwa imizwa nje.
Uyabona nje ngithengena nje eminyango wavela kwakushisa nje wangikhumulisa wayifaka sayifaka sayenza manje sibona halfway ukuthi ayibo kanti I-protection ayikho.
Yeah, but you quickly corrected
it on. Yes.
Sikhuluma about lento ama headphones lawa afakwayo. Yeah, they protect you and your ears and kuzwakale kahle njalo sobe kade ngayifakile yodokotela. I have ngizomenza be anonymous la. Isle out yabona indaba yothando ijulile uyamshela umuntu ngoba umthanda ena wonke ama qualities alomuntu omfunayo. Ipipi ke livele lithi angivuki kwale noma usulibongela. Bese livele libande but mawuya kuyikhwapha livuke sengathi kwenzeka uyachaza ke using ulimi olu strong so kushidlana ke usenkingeni ke njengamanje ngoba uchaza la ukuthi lo muntu unawo ama qualities but mangabe seseduzane akwenzeki kodwa manje mangabe la kungafanele ekhona livuke.
Yebo kuyenzeka lo number 1 Mthiyane kukhona umuntu othola ukuthi uma unaye ninaleyo connection I-chemistry you know kokudonsana kwemizwa noma umbona nje ukuvuka kukhona lo kube khona umuntu ngempela okubandelayo kodwa uthola ukuthi kunama values ngendlela aziphatha ngayo indlela ayiyona obonayo ukuthi nanga umuntu ofuna ukwakha naye. However umuntu that you don't actually want to invest in odlulelayo kuyena you know whether umuntu owazi ukuthi anginandaba lona anginendaba ukuthi uzocabangani ngami after there's less pressure ayikho pressure ukuthi uperforme akazi ukujudge whether induku ivukile or ayivukanga nawe unendaba ukuthi induku yakhe ivukile yini kuyena noma uvukanga so lokho kukodwa kuyakwenza ukuthi urelaxe ugcine usuperforma only because awuzijudge as much. Now kubantu besilisa isikhathi esiningi Mthiyane induku iwisa na uye ngokuthi uya second guess hawema ingawi ngokusaba igcine siyiwa induku.
Okay, I hope uphendulekile bra. Anonymous Mlazi sabona.
Yes Alex njani nodokotela.
Sisi right sisi.
Yes Alex mina Alex ngikuyona the relationship uyimani. Yes Alex ukuthi wangibona abo so mina ngikhuluphele ngokumzimba wangibona ungamchaza yabo. So mase ngifika endlini ngafike ngayilo muntu lo angamlindele yabo
ngeyiphendlela
abo umdavazo ngilalela le show.
Okay
umdavazo nje kwakuyiyera kwangathi nje ngisidenda ngangijulike emashidini yabo. So lo muntu lo saqhubeka so mase ngithola ngizwa ukuthi okay unengoduso inkanje okay waqoqela okay athi okay ngiyamkela cause vele ngifice naye yabo nami ngamkela ngokungabi nandaba okay nami ngabona ukuthi okay ngiyaqila la umdafazo right ngiyaneliseka ku right si happy abo siya connect abo njengoba uqeda usho dokotela niya connect nomuntu ngokwegazi nithi nje manihlangena kube khona leyana ngoba baze washo wathi njena indlela okwenzeka ngayo ngicabanga ngiyolanda amalobulani ngicabanga ngathi ngididikile ngathi umuntu wrong wena nje umuntu abo so wathi
I'm sure wayekusho lokho phezulu komdavazi impela wayekuzwa kahle.
Yes angithi ngiyasuthi so ngiyayilale.
Oh well trained.
Manje yabo ngiyazi indlela yokuthi ngizenze ngibe happy yabona abe happy yabo abo
yes
very good
manje use serious ke manje ngise serious ke manje
wena
Yeah, nami ngiserious dokotela.
Imake sithando sami awungitshela userious ngoba phela wena bungene nawe kumdavazo ngoba kumnandi ukwazi ukuze enjoy. Userious ngoba ngampela ufuna yena nyoma userious ngoba ufuna ukubanga nalomuntu oyingodosi kuyena ufuna ukumkhipha kulomuntu oyingodosi kuyena.
Yabo sis. Abo dokotela yaxolisa ukubuza ngosis. Abo dokotela indlela abo lo yabhuti lo yani izinto azenzayo zikhombisa ukungithanda. Abo dokotela umuntu utmuhleli naye appreciate athi enza noma yini ukhotha noma ikuphi la ithanda khona ubhozo yabo lo muntu appreciate ngalo yondlela le
appreciate as in physically ngokucansi.
Yes. Indawo.
Okay. All right. Look again sis yonke into engizwayo kuwena still lento physical ingocansi uyabona nje ukuthi appreciate usho ngokuthi ukhotha la khothe ngemuva ngaphambili but angakezwe uthi wena isupport akunikeza yona ngokwakha ukuthi ube umuntu ongcono nangothando and mhlambe nangokuthi akuchoose ngempela kwenye into ukuthi umuntu athi kuwena ucabanga ukubuyisa amalobolo enye into ukuthi akwenze lokho engakusho kuwena uyabona. So as much as uthi wena yes uyamthanda and uyamfuna ukuthi nibe into eyi1 but nawe you have to make sure ukuthi ngempela uyamfuna yini but also accept ukuthi umdavazo awubi the same some years later 5 years later if kukuthi nomabili into enithandayo kakhulu ngani it's about sex and umdavazo nizobhorana kugcinisa ukushintsha izinto.
Yazi dokotela yena dokotela ukathi angifike ngizovakasha nje mase ngiyahamba yabo wenza izinto nje obona kahle ukuthi okay nomuntu lo userious yabo mina dokotela ngolo muntu lo uthi mangabe usasana kubana naye ngiyakufihlela ingqondo yami ukuthi ngiwumuntu kanjani ngithi mase ngiyiphakathi nendawo mase ngiyakukhombisa ukuthi okay ngumuntu esifazane okhulile okwazi ukukhulisa ingane izibe no9 years.
Okay. Right? We're here. So Dotela, I know what you asked 3 times, but out of ugajwa ile excitement, conversation yethu yonke be limited to umdavazo. Yes, and I so wish ukuthi when you listen to a podcast yalokho sisi ulaleleke the part yokuthi ke beyond. You said something ebalekile about ukuthi after some years drive yehla and that does not mean ukuthi sekufanele kuphele so izinto lezo iconsider ekutheni le relationship stays or not. All right, but thank you so much for sharing the story set and we wish you all the best and asazi ke if ungoduselalele that side ukuthi isimo sakhe sithini yena. Asathumi Anonymous nawe Danhauser. Hello Anonymous, welcome to Indaba.
Hi njani?
Siyaphila kunjani kwena Anonymous?
Ngiyaphila. Nami ngithanda ukuphawula nje kulelo it's like sometimes nginokuqala is ukuthi it's just sex. And then as time goes by, like uthando liyakheka kulento leyo. Because I once I won't say I was dating, but I was with someone ukuthi yabona nje makuthi ngibhorekele nje ngidinga someone and then ngiyangiyakena. And yena obengisatisfy lendlela leyo ukuthi like more than my partner, my current partner.
Right, so when you say wow uyakena uyokwenzani ke?
Ubenomuntu naye nami nginomuntu.
So yes, just to be specific, you just went there for mdavazo.
For mdavazo.
And most ufikile futhi wawuyithola lento oyifunayo because umnandi wedlula upartner wakho.
And ngangithola to an extent ukuthi uyabona uma ubuyele ekhaya usho ukuthi yani ngihambele into ekhona.
Bese fika umnikazi wayo ke lento esefika kuyona then sekuthikha ibhokisi nje ukuthi yasenzile.
Yeah, sekwenza phela to an extent ukuthi lento le yakhoba nami ngase ngiba jealous ukuthi manje sengiba nesikholisho ukuthi unomuntu wakhe ngiyamfonela bese ngingakhona ukukhuluma because khona umem but at the end mina naye si together khona manje and it's no longer about that umem ngamgudluza eceleni ke kwangena mina
naye wagudluza upartner wakho.
My partner was not be serious. You know that thing, sometimes you feel lonely, then you just need someone. And then kantina nje vele wayengekho kulento le engangu. So sagcina sesidlalela kanjalo. But for me it was easy to let go of my partner.
Okay, so se neku relationship ke serious now.
Yes, we've been together for a couple of years manje, and sekukhulunyana indaba zokuthi uye ekhaya yabona. It's no longer about umdavazo nje kuphela.
Okay, let me ask this question, Sisi. Thank you for sharing this story. I think it's common. Kuyi topic yethu esikhulume ngayo 2 weeks ago. Abalaleli abaningi ba raise ukuthi uma ngichitha nawe ngivele nginomuntu wami. If sekuthiwa iyaphela i-relationship yami le engikuyona, before ngicabange wena ngizobuka ukuthi uma sewumuntu wami straight uzobe usaqhubeka nalento obuyenza kumina, so angibe secure. So in your case awubi nalawo ma feeling ukuthi if wakwazi ukuthi enomuntu wakhe but isintshontshane still usangaqhubeka noma sekukumina. And the same also could be said about you.
Angifuna ukuqamba mangakenzeka, and to an extent ukuthi uhlezi vele umdoubt. Kodwa umuntu uyakwenza leyo trust ukuthi yazini wena ngikufunayo, wena engangikudinga impilo yami yonke. Yes, benginayo umuntu but yena umuntu lo bekanayo shothi khona izinto engazenzi mina bengizenza. Besides umdavazo nje kuphela, because it's not only about sex. Mawuzo wakhe ekhaya nomuntu kumele ubheke izinto eziningi. Angeke ukuthi ke namhlanje makuthi angisebenzi indoda mayiholile kumele ngijabulele ukuthi ngamukela imali. Uhlala mhlambe endlini engekho esimeni sokuthi angasakuyona, ngi-understand. At least even if noma sisebenza sobabili sikwazi ukuthi make sibheke anginamali ngiyashota nami ngimpeshe ngiyazi ukuthi ngisuya ngipesha la ngipesha khona. So it was not only about yena wakhe trust ukuthi ngize ngibone ukuthi okay, this is a man for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, look, ku possible ukuthi into kade suke kukudlalana ngoba sometimes kwakona ukudlalana lokho kusuke kukhona into ethi lengikhona vela ngenele. Uyabona, so ugcina sudlala ngaphandle uthi uyaluma kulumeke kube mnandi uza ukuthi hawu nansi mina into engiyithandayo. And it's good umuntu ekwazi ukwenza leyo commitment yokuthi ashiye lapha kade ekhona njengalo sise kade ekhona. Ngithi umuntu menza i-commitment ukuthi uchoose wena and use develop uthando lakho and use valueisha wena, uyashiya lapha ekhona kuze bambelele lapha ekhona. So it's going to be very important ke futhi ukuthi boy 2 lento ye jealous ngoba uthi sikwayena waqala ngejealousy qala before kuba uthando waqala ngokuthi abe jealous. So it's going to be very important ukuthi lezo zinto nizikhulume kwi relationship yenu nibe open kuze even later kakhulukazi aboma senishadile izinto ziyashintsha, you know, manje senizoshada but once senishadile kuba nezinto nje eziba izibhidi ezisukumayo, you know, kubudlelano beni. So it's going to be very important unikhulume lokho kuze nikudlulise kungabi yinto eyistigma kwi relationship yenu yokuthi but good luck, sis.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
All right. So to answer nje ngegama elilodwa sis, so if ngikubuza lana ukuthi can last 10 into genuine love, your answer would be
definitely.
All right, thank you so much. It's 1928 useGagasini. Just to remind you ukuthi lo hlelo is not suitable for ingane. Sikhuluma ngendaba yenkanuko nokuhalelana. U attracted kumuntu because all you think of is umdavazo, and leyo nto leyo yakwazi ukuyihlukanisa ukuthi ke akulona kahle hle uthando nanobungozi bakhona. So does it happen ukuthi later if kuhlanganwe kanje urealize sekulate ukuthi kahle hle kwakungekhona ukuthi lo muntu ingoba sifanelene and kwakuyile anti sasifuna but isi create ama problems sekulate.
Yebo, the unfortunate part is lokho uthola ukuthi umuntu asheshe kakhulu ngoba kade kumnandi, uyabona, basheshe futhi baze bashadane, uthola sebeshadene, so later on into ziyashintsha, ucansa safani, into sezishintshile, induka isasebenzi, mhlambe nomama usezele akasalifuna ucansi ngaleyo ndlela. Sigcina lento laba bengasajabuli kulento abayakhile because abakwazanga ukuthi bakhe into eyifoundation yokuthi yini esinayo thina in common, yini into efanayo kuthina, yini into esithandayo, yini into esifuna ukuyakha sobabili bavele bakhelana on top of each other. So
it would be unfair then to say because you are attracted by his physique, ukuthi ne six pack unayo yonke into, 10 years senishadile, he must maintain abe lento umfune eyona. You said that you make up all the time, but Mrs. Alingane akaseyena size 32, and then when akusuzothi but this is not the product.
It would be unfair. Ntiyani ngoba wena kumele uthande umuntu lento ayiyona. If kuukuthi usegeni weight and akasahamba ngamahili usehamba ngobhadu zonke lezi zinto, not the physical appearance, yiko kufanele egcineni. Yes, physical appearance yona ezoku attract you know kuyena, but thanda yena into ayiyo.
yina shintshayo mangabe i-round bidonsa 45 minutes kuphinde qhutshekwe 3 years later masisindawonye sewenze
5 minutes 5 minutes round uthotha omunye inkanuko isaphezulu kanti kuhle ukuthi nitman khula mthiyani 10 years later nobabili ni okay no one round nobabili okay with having sex once a week but if kukuthi khona omunye ongekho okay khona lokugeja khona osafuna leyanto more than you know you are willing to give but then again relationship is about compromise now somewhere along the line kumele kube nento ozoyenza ukuthi umjabulise umuntu uma ukuthi seni committed
1931 le show ke ama videos akhona atholakala ku YouTube Sex Indaba na ku app yethu futhi ne podcast yakhona uzokwazi ukuthi uyithole sithatha anonymous now emlazi hello anonymous
how's it Alex
sure first guy to call
explain umqade ngibingelele nodokotela lapho ne
yes anonymous
sure
yes ngicabule ngifuna ukuqinisa siyabona lento enkanto into ekhona shuthi ngizozama ukushesha wena ale nawe mama wami ne shuthi mina bengina umuntu engithanda naye na 38 mina ngina 35 enginakekele ngithanda ne and then ngimshaka ukwayi strong and then enginakekela ngazo zonke izinto even nento zokugqoka shuthi yabona lokuhamba kwesabafana elokushini sihambela ubumnandi yabo ngibone intombazana yabo iyona nkanuko ngikhulumela phezulu kwaleyo nto yabo ngibone ngiyithanda nje ngihalela ukuyilala ngiyihalele nje ukuyilala shuthi ngibike nami kumfana ngiyibika hayi masisi intombazana ayisobonana ngeyindanga sehlele emakheli khona shuthi nosisibayo bavele mina bona bangithande yabo bathe bengithanda intombazane yangibuyisela ngakuthasa yafuna ukungibona ayisabonana ngesenza ama arrangement ngayifaka endini emnyama umdavazo nje kuphela ngifuna ukuqamba amanga ngoba nginayo umuntu onginakekelayo hayi kube kanjalo wena but Alex kwakube grand ayinangompela umuntu ngimshaya umdavazo cabanga-ke mina anginayo ingane yena unayo ingane nalo muntu olingisenana years unayo ingane mina anginayo ingane neemnyama ukuthi ngasingathona intombazane right sezozalela ingane base ngi-introduce ekhane hayi kube kanjalo ngithe mangisi ayisikhulume nengane isixoxa hayi ingane angifuna ukuqamba amanga but Alex ngayithanda ingane anisili kuze kube manje ngiyayithanda sinengane manje ngayigoduka ngayo introduce kumuntu enga-introduce ekhaya lo muntu ade ngithandana naye ayingavele ngamshiya Alex ngifuna ukuqamba amanga namanje ngihlalele emzini ngagogona si-right ngiyisupport ingane ngisemalungiseleleni manje ukuthi ngizoyikhokhela ingane futhi nje angisa-expectile omunye umuntu ngifuna ukuqhubeka naye phela
alright so you saying ukuthi usisters lona 38 wamshiya
Ngicabanga ngamshiya Alex wadingwani lapho esezwile ne
ade kunakekela
ade nginakekela siswama ufuna ukuqamba amanga ayi ngamshiya no yazi ngangishawa yini kene echi naye sengingamtroduce ekhaya ngaye ngashaya topic enye radio kwenye ama radio station ngithi kudle yini ukushesha uintroduce umuntu esifazane noma nawe namuntu wesilisa kudle yini ukushesha ayi ngabona ukuthi kukahle kuhle kubi ngoba wena but Alex kudle mangabe wona umuntu wesilisa uzoshona fene yabo ugeze zonke lezo zinto kodwa manje masuzothandana nabantu lokuba introduce kini koze babe bangake
kodwa ngiyayibona ke leyo topic I think so ibheka ngelinye ilanga so you are saying ukuthi because of the last relationship yakho kuyona njengamanje so it worked and you dropped all the benefits obowathola and usuyamthanda futhi kwangempela usisi lo
cabanga ngiyamthikamba manganjalo Alex and then bengamthola esebenza manje akasebenzi mina engiphanda nje yahlanganisa nginayo lo allowance ukuthi no akasebenzi sengifuna manje black ngiyamthanda edisimthanda mangithi ngiyabheka mina ngina 35 yena una 25 yayibona lonto manje ufuna umnakekela ngazo zonke indlela ne
sure doc
true yabo Tiana usenozwelo lalona omunye ufuna ukuba khona kuyena amnakekele and yet lapha kade khona ubenakekele wenzela yonke into kodwa yiloko kuphela into kade khona for imali so obviously uthando lu stronger than anything even imali
sure sikuzwele but 0315373000 uthando versus inkanuko ungakwazi yini ukuthi uthi 10 last into genuine love your experience maybe not and une story sihlukile from what you've had so far.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
Who knows maybe mamqabula yena sign yokuthi well you are after inkanuko you know it's last. Okay sure I think ngifundeke nawo ama comments Facebook page Indaba with Alex na ku Twitter na Instagram ngikhona and mofu ngiba anonymous uyaba anonymous as well right ngicela ukubuza la ku doc umvelase ukuthi is it normal or demonic uhalela unkosikazi kamfundisi ngiyamhalela ngomdavazo maybe ngeke ngilingene izulu ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi udokotela uzophendula athini then ke omunye umlaleli unjumane uthi well noma kungaba inkanuko kodwa ukuze umzuzelo womuntu iyodwa kuphela indlela yokufinyelela kuyena ilena yokuthi uyamthanda even though lungekho uthando and then bese kuzoba khona another one othi yes khona vele ukuze uthando liqale khona kumele liqale ngokuthi umhalele umuntu na umbuzo obheke nje kuwe dokotela
yeah well Mthiyane lo othanda umamfundisi you know it's very possible ukuthi umuntu okuyi status thizeni ohloniphayo ube nama feelings owa developayo kuyena now lo ma feelings angaba ama feelings ukuthi umuntu uyamthanda uyamhalela ufuna umuntu onjenga naye but akusho necessarily ufuna yena so kungenzeka ukuthi ubhuti mhlawumbe uyamhalela ngoba umama umfundisi indlela enza ngakhona indlela aqoka ngakhona ahalela kuba nomuntu ofana naye so it's important ukuthi akuhlukanise lokho because naye ke anyway umama umfundisi akasiyo Maria you know engamthanda same as ethanda noma umuphi umuntu wesifazana angamhalela but akenzile lutho ngako so akukho demonic kuyena ngoba phela ezinye izinto ezisibambayo religion iculture nenkolelo zethu ezinye izinto ezisibambayo from doing izinto ezizosenza sifile like ama demoni
manje ke esontweni kubuye khagwane uyabona bathi ke sesobongela yona iCovid ukuthi nomesondele eduze kuzomshaya ngale hug yeCovid yeah Brenda yeah I prefer someone ozosho ukuthi asiphane then uqanjelwa manga in the name of love because nami mangihalile ngiyasho okay and then wesilisa lo igama lakhe undoda yomfazi inkanuko ifana ne hit and run uza ngegama lothando make wamthola nje uqedile bese uyahamba then yes amagama la lona udiliza iPend I think igama lele lenzelwe this show doc and Alex inkanuko inkinga ngaba nenkanuko nomuntu sagcina sinomntwana naye
so inkinga kuyena ukusho ukuba nomntwana
kuyinkinga yes kuyinkinga
bengafuna lathi doc ngathi dick
okay dick and dog yeah and then nomcebo
no
inkanuko lapho ikhona usukumhalela umuntu not ukuthi uyamthanda usuke nje ungenawo futhi namaphupho ngaye yeah and then sibonga umusa uthi laba abanenkanuko banamanga and osisi bayakholwa yeah bayabakholwa labo abantu abasuke benamanga babona sebegilekile ukuthi ish bashayekile
yeah
all right
but kusesikhathi Mthiyane umuntu akazi ngempela ukuthi naye lento nayo inkanuko kuba khona ngempela usukenza into ngoba ezimisele velt ayilana ngifuna ukudla nje ngidlule and kuphela of course ba surprise abanye kubagcina sibe nothando but abanye abazi ngempela ukuthi lana bengivele ngithanda ubuthi bakhe you know bengithanda ukuthi into ethize ubona ngoba esewile ngaseyona leyo nto or engasayenzi ubona hawu kanti bengithanda lento only then you discover nawe ukuthi abengathanda yena empeleni bengithanda lokhu kwakhe
yeah so ku possible ukuthi izinto esikhuluma ngazo ze last zenzeke kubantu who are already in relationships ngibuzisa ukuthi usisi lo fonele earlier on uthe kwaqala kanje but sekuyona relationship leyo futhi uhappy ngayo yonke into so umuntu othi njengamanje no mina nginomuntu wami angacabanga ukuthi lento ayimthinte ngoba kuyenzeka yini
kakhulu Mthiyane because it's very rare Mthiyane kwenzeka isikhathi esiningi ukuthi abantu abazothandana kube ukuthi bobabili bahleli balindile nje ukwabona somewhere along the line khona ozomkhipha
yeah
uyabona so yes noma unomuntu wakho so if niyathandana or whatever but kungcono kona Mthiyane umuntu akushiye manje ngokuthi long senzele ingane nashada kuyima ebona ukuthi empeleni ngimthandi lona nginenkanuko yomunye umuntu so ngcono kona umuntu asheshaziveze ukuthi uyini so that you can both go your separate ways
so when someone says ukuthi you are my crush kunama expectations lapha
yebo and it's ironic ngoba abantu abaningi baba excited umuntu methi crush usuke esho nje ukuthi uyakhalela and that's it
okay Kusnathi Emlazi
yebo kunjani lo nodokotela
yebo right boss kunjani kwena
asiyaphila
yes
iyangithinta kakhulu le ndaba yena nginendaba la engifisa ukuyisharisha nani but ngizoba mfishane
okay
ngiyabuka no ngizombiza ngokuthi usikhweza wami uphila double life so ngiyaphila double life nje unabantwana ushadile ubesha ukuthi ujabulile kodwa unomuntu futhi amjabulisayo eceleni mina ngithatha udadewabo njengoba ngithatha udadewabo nje ngiyasaba indlela abakhuluma ngayo ukuthi lempilo lo naye uma ithatha yena ke eyithanda lo dadewabo ngizokwenza kanjani mina because siyazama nalo wami ukuthi siphile impilo eqondile.
But abantu abawu2 noma bezalwe ndawonye abafani, you know, kube khona umuntu bezalwe belale esibelethweni esizodwa, amunye aphuza utshwala omunye angawuphuze njalo njalo. So angeke uzuthathe into yenziwa uSqueezer wakho uyisabele kunkosikazi wakho, but kubalekile ukuthi uma nixoxa nonkosikazi wakho uzwe ukuthi yena ufila kanjani ngendlela udadewabo abehavior ngayo. If kuukuthi umbona ngathi uyayidefenda indlela udadewabo enza ngayo and akayiboni i-wrong, maybe it can be a concern kuwena, but ungasheshi umjajele into enziwa udadewabo. Lokho akwenza udadewabo okwakhe, wena bheka lo muntu wakho nama values nakuthi yini wayithanda kuyena, and of course kumele kube nento ezithize okuyindlela aziphatha ngayo nesimilo sakhe okuyisona okuwukuthi isona wasithanda nawe more than anything.
Ngiyakuzwa Dotela, ngiyabonga nako kunye ngifisa ukubuza. Umngamo benomuntu ezwa naye phambilini.
Okay.
So lo muntu lo bahlukana naye, so mina naye siyaphila la siphila khona manje unezinto asezenza ngisazi noma ulandelela inkanuko noma usafuna love back ila ngikhona ngidideka khona because uma umuntu okahle umile uphelele intombi yakwabo. Manje into engishaya ukuthi uma esethu ukubuya ubuyiswa yini because le ayatibona ekuqaleni namanje kusawumuntu oyedwa, kodwa mina ngimbuka ngenye indlela. Lokho ngijabulelayo mina, lokho ngibuzelayo ubuntu bakhe nento ayiyona, ngibuka istructure. Yebo mama uyaba-challenge abantu la emgaqweni, kodwa akuyona into engithi mina ngiyayijabulela ngoba ngibuka ukuthi what if le nto izohamba imshaye yena because nayo nalokho ukuthi mhlambe uyabukeka and ulo muntu lo uma ngothi ngelinye ilanga njengibeka kusisi wakhe
manje lo Petro so that sizothola kahle
uX.
Yeah, lenkinga yakho yesibili uX lowo noma uX womuntu wakho
uX wakhe
uX womkakho.
Yes.
Usefuna ukubuyela umkakho.
Ufuna ukubuyela umngamo.
Okay. Wena uthola kanjani?
Ngale nhlanhla engayo shothi umuntu okwazi ukuthi because mina ngumuntu engithe good relationship mina asikhuluma engabe ukuthi izinto sizithola ngale hamba umuntu sethi asihlale phansi uma kumuntu efikayo.
Yeah.
Okay, so uthi wenze njani ubhuti?
Uyafona ma SMS na WhatsApp.
Mina ngene yena aphendule kanjani yena usisi? Ngoba phela
ilento ke trick because uzongatholi ukuthi kahle uphendula kanjani noma kuthiwa ngingaya kwi conversation yabo angikwazi ama deleted conversation, so ngigcina nga-entertain le nto leyo, but the mere fact ukuthi useyabuya ukhona lezi zinto aseyikhuluma engingazazi because nami akanginiki into eyingqikithi yasi story. So ngiyashayeka mina ngala
ukuthi okay. Look but I think number 1 usisi wrong ukuthi akuvulele ikani kodwa engeke azali akhiphe yonke into ephakathi because number 1 ukuthi akutshele ukuthi uX wakhe uyakufuna. Yes uyazivela ukuthi uyamfuna. Yes uyazivela into izokuphatha kabi. It's possible ukuthi uzama ukuvusa isikhwele kuwena nothando njalo njalo, mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi umlobolo umthathe kuze ubone ukuthi nabanye bayamfuna. Uyabona into enjalo sometimes umuntu wesifazane yakwenza lokho ngoba akhuthando, ngoba efuna ukuthi wena zimisele, you know, uphakamisa amatomu akho. Kodwa uma wena suthi awuboni ukuthi yena uthini usisi, so uyakutshela ukuthi ubhuti uyafona, into ebalekile awunayo relationship wena noX wakhe, uyabona, kodwa wena une relationship naye lo muntu wakho, so ukuziphatha kwakhe ikona okubalekile kuwena. So ukuthi uresponda kanjani kulo muntu ima efona noma SMS ikona okufanele ukuthole kahle lokho, ngoba ikona okubalekile. Akakwazi le complain kuwena uyafona but uthi uma efona amdiscipline yena athini, ngoba manje kufanele kube uyena omdisciplinayo if kukuthi akafuni ubhuti aqhubeke nokuthi amshele, if kukuthi ngempela ikhona leyo ndaba ukuthi ubhuti usamfuna uyamshela.
Ikhona because ngangayibamba phambilini ngangafuna ukuthi kube into ezingathi siyalwa ngayo because akafuni ukuba umuntu okhulumayo nendlela ukuthi yena uphuma phi ngempilo yakhe because mina ngithanda umama angifuni ukutoma manga indaba zokulandelela iminingi angena lo muntu onjalo.
Yes.
Yeah, look, I think manje but already lento yakudla enhlizweni yakho so ikhona empilweni yakho. So ukuthi uyizibe uthi awusiyi umuntu okhulumayo lento izogcina ikonela anyway mhlawumbe waste isikhathi nomuntu okuzogcina ngempela ingekho into. It's important ukuthi umuntu umhlalise phansi nihlale naye ukuthi nansi inkinga enginayo ngibona lokhu naloku ngibonise ukuthi ngempela ayikho lento or mhlawumbe if you confused ungitshele kuze ngazi ukuthi ngimephi akusho ukuthi asihlukane but angazi nje ngivulelele ukuthi exactly
kwenzakalani. Yes, ngoba kahle hle ama topic lezi inkinga zakho zoyitho but zihlobene kahle hle because una le fear yokuthi usisilo ngama influencer but sekukhona ke le factor as well. Deal with it. It's a topic ngelinye ilanga ekutheni we relationship no ex uyavuleleka yini ngayo and nobungozi bakhona and how to deal with it. It's 1949 ilast nothando.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 pm.
Lolu hlelo is not suitable for ingane. Sikhuluma ngendaba ye last nothando. Nenkinga yeni yokuseparate or ukuhlukanisa the two. Let me invite you to send my voice notes here as well. Go WhatsApp. Number it is 078-934-2827. Watatazela nje, what's going on? Watatazela ngiyakubona nje ukuthi la ngithi ngiyacinga
ngilast
no ngempela ngithi ngiyaphuthaza ngithi ngiyabheka la ukuthi la
umfundo
no but nje buye bheka okay so manje mawuthi umfundo is the producer ratio so
uyangithinta kwezinye indawo
so you last leg
so mawuthi uthi ngilast
subana ne last phakathi kwini yeah right sizokena ama voice notes.
Nami nje ngaya ngithi ngiyazingenela hawe ma ubaba abantu na 55 years awe ma ngithi mangifika embhedeni hayibo lo baba sheme ngazuthi nje ibhongeni na 19 years ubahlula bonke hayi uyawenza umdaba zosheme awuyanika nesheme kuba manzi amashiti kube manzi yonke into sheme nami ngihlaliseke kona amagazethi achumene ebandla sheme kumnandi kuyafiwa hayi khona abantu abakwaziyo ngeke uzosho ukuthi imdala.
Dokotela nomthiyane yazi le topic yenamhlanje inzima ngoba umuntu engideyithana naye hlale kuvuke lokho ukuthi ngathi ngideyithana naye wakhona umuntu antshontshana naye alale naye mina ngingazi ekugcineni wagcina wahlalisisa kumanje nje unengane hlale ngithi mangibuka umuntu le ngane wayelokho entshontsana nayo kwagcina zaphuma ingane kumanje abazwani abakhulumisani uthi uyayisola ngisho ukuyisola.
Ngibonani kakasini ngicela ukuba anonymous hayi itopic ena namhlanje ayivutha B so hayi mina ngiyakhala and nginayo lento yokhala so there's this guy emsebenzini sikhalelane saze satholana ugayeke ugcine sekhechile ugcine senesikhweli ngento engizenzayo ngagcina sengimtshela ukuthi lalela baba into esiyenzayo nje imnandi ngicela ungayimoshi kuze kwazenzakalela nje kumina ukuthi ngicine nami sengimthanda yazi ngimthanda manje lokwange impela futhi.
Sobona Alex nodokotela inkanuko ayifani yini nohalelana mase phinde sekucela ngelinye ilanga esicela umphinda ngobe esingasakweyisino wesilisa ehlisa isithunzi sakho ngilungazisho anonymous.
All right, stories kahle leyo gcina
ngiyathanda leyana noma siyasigcineni ngoba
ifanele icabanga leyo nto.
Well, yeah, for umunye umuntu ngoba exactly that's what it is. Umuntu usuke kudingela lokho nje kuphela ngoba isikhathi esiningi vele abantu abahalelanayo usuke kube uthi ungena nje eminyango esekukhumula ingubo seniyenzana into and you spend most of the time embedeni then ukwenza ezinye izinto aniphumi nenza ama hobbies nenzeni you in bed most of the time nyuma nikhuluma niya sexta thumelana izithombe zocansi ngoba always fanele nikhumbuzane ukuthi lento is about sex rather than ukwakhana.
Amanzi ayamalaka amakhona before so wesazi leso sizulu.
Yes.
Okay. Anonymous ayamasdale sabona.
Yebo njani?
Siyaphila sisunjani wena?
Ngiyaphila nami. Nami ngithi nje angisho ukuthi kulokho engikhuluma ngakho namhlanje ami ngike ngafinyelela khona. Kade ngiganele ngigana umunye umuntu. Batholana nomunye umuntu eceleni kade ngihlohla abangani bami bethi ngeke uyakuhlukumeza lo muntu bengaya enza zonke izinto ezibhida kodwa eqhubeke ekhokhe ekhaya ukuthi size siyafinyelela ukuthi siyazindana nalo muntu and ukuthandana kwethu sithandana strong hayi kancane size sahlala naye for 5 years kodwa umuntu wami lo ngithandana naye iganile naye wangibamba sengizohlanyisa unyaka wesibili ukuthi futhi ngoba engangibambi ngoba wayitshelwa yimina qobo ukuthi hayi sengikhathele ukuthi ngibe namadoda ngesikhathi esodwa kodwa nje ngiyakuphasisa ukuthi umuntu mekuthi uyathola eceleni uqinisa ufinyelela ekuthenini uzugcina usuloboliwe kuyimanje sesiyalobolana naye lo muntu engatholana naye sithi siyaganga siyantshontsana.
Okay, so awunawo ama-regrets kahle hle ngoba kuwena it worked and you khulume ngendaba yokuthi bo-abuse kule relationship, so you are calling here to say into engabukeki yimbi kuyinkanuko ingagcina isine happy ending.
Happy ending.
So you are happy now and I regret ukuthi wathatha lesi sinqumo.
No, angireport nangolodwa usuku.
Okay, yeah, well uthi uyena actually owathi sengikhathele ukubona amadoda ayithu, so uyabona ukuthi akazange amanjwe. Okay, sis.
Good luck sis babini.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
All right, siyabonga. Sure, sithathe omunye anonymous Emlazi. Anonymous, someone? Anonymous, hi. Okay, all right, akekho right anonymous, so zodlula ke sikube voice note edokotela kancane nje ngifuna ukuhlahla la emuva. We are getting ama stories la ukuthi i-lust inga developer into uthando.
Yeah.
So inini ke la ozobona khona ukuthi yes bengiganga kodwa ehithi ngime ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi lento isi serious kungebe nzima but at some point mawuthi mhlambe uyenzela just to satisfy yeah.
Look kuyenzeka Mthiyani i-last either emva kwesikhathi iyafade kuphele lokho kuphela ukuthi ufuna ukumvakashela lo muntu kwehle yabona ne-performance nokumhalela kwehle kugcine sokuphelile futhi. So lokho enye indlela engaphela ngayo i-last ukuthi kuvele kuphela. The only problem ngaloko ukuthi ngathi nihlangana ngelinye ilanga futhi kade seyiphelile nibonane again inhlanganiso yiloko ukuthi nilalane but again usuke wazi nawe ukuthi ubani siyahalelana but not ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngakhe naye.
Okay, so kwi scenario ke where lo muntu ke ohalelana naye usafuna wena usufuna kuyimisa lento, how do you negotiate ukuthi it has to stop because uzomshiya ehethekile?
Exactly Mthiyani, most of the time umuntu onenkanuko naye ongamthandi awunendaba futhi nokuthi ufila kanjani ekugcineni. Uyabona ukuthi whether uyamshiya uvela ungamfoneli or umyeke kanjalo ngoba awunalo uzwelo lakhe, awunankinga ukuthi uzocabanga ukuthini masumshiyile.
All right, asizo ke nama voice notes as well.
Anonymous ke lo hayi khona la eMaritzburg ngifikela Dr. Mthembu eLicras ngasizakala kade sengikhathala ngijuluka ngisheshe nje into zabi nje manje kodwa ngithende emva kwesonto ngiye lapha kaDokotela uMthembu hayi ngisele kabusha ungathi ngumfana omncane phela nje na 6 kodwa manje hayi ngisizwa nje ngijabule yabo
ngabingelela mina nguGudu Thabete ngifike kwa Dr. Mthembu nginenkinga bengivuvukela isisu nomzimba wonke ngeza lapha bafike bangisiza kakhulu ulibonile usizo lwabo sengiyaphila manje noma i-treatment yona sengiyiqedile kodwa sengiyaphila konke kube kukhona kuphelile namhlanje
wenzana makhesi wenzana
makhesi
avusabe uqando siyabona
60 years old.
Oh yes
yebo lo sise kade khala ethi umuntu wakho na 55 ngisolile lo yaphuma edelusion ndoda yakhe.
Sure, it's a big lula but ke kuma khona izinto oyitholile kulolu hlelo yilokho ukuthi must listen to my inhliziyo yakhe ikhuluma nawe ukuthi hayi khona ngathi ngigibele isitimela esi wrong. All right, you know share nayo ke dokotela umyalezo konke lokho ngiyazi ukuthi we may not have addressed wonke ama problems akhona but from what we heard abantu abazothi ngiya regret but bekhona abanye abathi something good came out of it.
Look egcineni Mthiyani uthando can be many things but into eyodwa uthando ngayona ukuba ayazi uthando liyazi uba sure uma umuntu umthanda une sure uba naleyo nto owaziyo ukuthi uma ukhona uphelele and ku right uma kusanento ngabaza wazi kunento ethize kuphela engiyithandayo then uzibuze so it's very important uzazi wena kuqala kuze wazi yini oyithandayo nokuthi yini oyifunayo komunye umuntu ungadedeli kuba umuntu okubonisa uthanda lo ngiyathanda lo ngidakuthanda ngoba hlazana eshintsha uyozwa ngathi uthando lonke liyashintsha kanti kushintsha into eyodwa nje kuphela
sure. Wow, I hope izwileke leyo kadokotela. Utholakala kanjani ke Dr. Mthembu?
Se Hillcrest Medilution. Inamba yethu 031 765 8475. Cell phone 061 4622 945. Akuyona yami yase office if ulikhala ucingo ulufonile nje senzela ukuthi airtime yakhe ingapheli so aselifakile umshinini ulufona nje sizolibamba.
Number 1 siyabonga kakhulu. All right sibekela na i-conversation yethu nodokotela so lolu hlelo uzolithola i-video yakhona ne podcast futhi uzoyithola wena download nje i-app Gagasi FM. So ma we Thursday ke i-Freaky Thursday. Yeah, so keep this bongo song nje. Yeah. Oh, so qalile manje.
Uthe isibongo phela.
Oh, okay, so I get a feeling ukuthi ungaphezulu.
Special open line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.